The INTO teachers, they're really helpful, they are really kind and supportive. They're like the middle of university lecturers and high school teachers. They are being really supportive, so they will come to you proactively to ask what they can help for you and keep like tracing up your progress. Sometimes they will give you some like extra tutorials to try to keep you up with the progress and help you to do your very best in the exam. So I feel like they give you a really great support before the university. The work placement helped me to gain project management skill, public speaking skill, communication skill that will help my final year of study. It helped me to feel prepared for finding the job. To go to class every single day and then go back to the accommodation and stay together in the same hall. So you have really close and friendly, supportive relationship. INTO, they're all like international students. I love to get to know different sort of culture.